Hello everyone. Today's session topic is function model enhancement. There might be requirement to enhance a standard function model. So my objective is I want to do the enhancement in the function model HR underscore in underscore change INR to words that is used for converting the amount into words. So my business requirement is I require one additional parameter in the importing parameter, that is IP underscore round, and if the parameter is set, then in the output I don't require the decimal point. Okay, let me show you on the screen. I have this function model HR underscore and change INR words. Okay, so let me pass some value here. So you can see the output as 1,23,456 rupees 45 paisa. Okay, so I have one requirement that in some cases I don't require the decimal point. Okay, I require only the rupees. So in that case, in the import parameter, I want to add one additional field as IP underscore round. Okay, if that parameter is set, I don't require 45% output, any decimal value. Okay, and at the beginning I want RS, that is rupees. Okay, so in real time we might have two different requirements. Sometime we only required to enhance the source code, or sometime we might require to add some additional parameters. Okay, so here we will see both adding of additional parameter as well as source code enhancement. So first, click on import parameter, go to function model, click on enhance. It will ask for a enhancement spot. Click on create, give any name starting with Z or Y for rounding up values. I am saying as a local object. Okay, so as soon as we enhance, we can see the fields are in editable mode. Now we can add our new fields here. So I am adding IP underscore round, type flag. Okay, and we can add only optional parameters in the function model enhancement. Okay, we cannot use the mandatory parameters. Save and activate. So what we have done, we have added new parameters IP underscore round. Now go to source code. Here we will be doing the implicit enhancement. So if you check here, we get the return value in the AMT underscore IN underscore words. Okay, so here at this point we'll be doing the implicit enhancement. For that, click on edit, enhancement operation, show implicit enhancement option. Okay, let me log in again. Source code, enhance, go to edit, enhancement options, show implicit enhancement. Okay, now I can see the black arrow at the beginning and at the end of the function model. Okay, this means that we can create here our implicit enhancement point. So right click here, create implementation. We want to add both code as well as declaration. Code, create a new enhancement implementation. Now here we have to add our code. Now if IP underscore round equal to X, then only do the rounding. Okay, otherwise don't do the rounding. If IP underscore round equal to X, then what we have to do, let me declare some local variable data LV underscore char1, let's take 200, and LV underscore char2, let's take 50. Okay, so I have declared two local variable. Now here what we'll do, split empty underscore in underscore words at rupees into LV underscore char1 and LV underscore char2. What I'm doing, I am splitting the words at the rupees into two local variables. Okay, char1 and char2. Okay, so decimal value will be getting in char2. Now what we'll do, concatenate rupees rs LV underscore char1 only into empty underscore in underscore words separated by space. Okay, before that clear the value first here. Save, check and activate. So what I have done here, first I am checking if the rounding is passed. Okay, so if the round value parameter is passed, it is set to X, then I am breaking the amount into words at rupees into two local variables, and then I am adding RS, that is rupees, at the starting, and at the end I am adding only. I am removing the paisa. Okay, because what happened otherwise, we have to use two function module. Like before calling this function module, we have to call the rounding of function module. So by this way we can save time. Now execute it. You can see the parameter here. Now if I'm passing here X, you can see there is no decimal value, rupees 12,345 only. Okay, and if I'm not passing this rounding variable, then you can see the standard output 12,345 rupees 43 paisa only. Okay, let me put some other value. It's 1,200 rupees. Now for same, just pass X. Now I can see rupees 1,200 only. Okay, so in this way we can do the function model enhancement. We can add the importing or exporting parameter, and also we can do the source code enhancement for the standard function model. So in this way we finish this session, like enhancement of SAP standard function model. Thank you.